Alright, so this test, or this video is going to be on using rubrics and how to create them and then what they look like when they're done. So here we're going to go. I'm going to go to my test library. I'm just going to pick a test I'm going to add a question to. I'm just going to click on Add New and then Question. And I'm going to select a question type. I'm just going to select essay, but you can use a rubric for many other options. So I'm going to do this problem. If you are traveling 60 miles per hour, how fast are you going in inches per second? And so I'm just going to give it a limit of 1,000 words. I'm going to add a rubric. So I click on that Add Rubric, and I already have some that I can select, so I can check them out and see, is that what I want to use? If I don't like either one of these, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click a Create New Rubric at the top. I'm going to give it a title. This title will let me refer back to it if I need to. And then here I have the objectives, what I'm looking for, and then the levels. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick 2 levels, 3 objectives, and this could be a pass and a fail, or a does not meet and a meets expectation. Or I can change it to 3 levels, 3 objectives. So it could be does not meet, meets, and exceeds. And I just assign point values to them. 0 if they score in this area, 1 if they score in here, 2 if they score in here. Now my objectives are the things I'm looking for. So the first thing that I want maybe is units. Are they giving me the correct units? My second thing might be the answer. And the third thing might be the explanation that I'm looking for. So here my units I'm going to say that I'd be looking for is neither unit is correct. This one for meets might be one of the 2 units are correct, and this would be both units are correct. The unfortunate thing, as far as I can tell, is the students won't be able to see these rubrics. It's just for you when you're grading them. Alright, so then the answer is incorrect. The answer is partially correct. So for example, they gave feet per hour. So maybe they only did one of their conversions, and the answer is it is perfect. What I normally do is I normally put the correct answer in here. So maybe it's, I don't know, but I'm guessing 800 feet per second. So that way I can look and see, did they get it correct? The explanation is there is no explanation, it is incoherent, etc. This one would be the explanation is easy to follow, but there are some gaps. And this one is the explanation is accurate, precise, and easy to follow. So there, my rubric's done. I can, if I want, give it some attributes, but for what I do is I just add rubric, and then you'll see my rubric is right here. If I want to check it, this is what I see. So now when I'm actually going to grade this test, under the score that I will get, I'm going to click this rubric, and it's going to show me this rubric, and I just click my boxes for how they perform. So then my rubric scoring is I can do the average score. So it's going to take the average of all of these, or I can do total score, in which case it would be 2, 4, 6 points possible. If I do the average, it's just going to take the average of all of these and give it a score. All right? And then save question, and you'll notice that it is saved to your test.